assembly of this, you have to make sure that T pusher and spring behind it stay in there. This has to be pushed in as you slide this into the back of the receiver. It'll stay together once you get it underneath the rails, the full length underneath the rails, and then push it all the way down. It'll stick once it hits max travel. Just like this assembly, we have to have the hole for this and the hole for the charging carrier assembly to be aligned with this oval hole. When we put this in, we still have to get the carrier back, but that pin gets in the way. So you have to move this out of the way and use something like this punch to push it down so we can push the carrier assembly down. Then you'll see these holes line up. And as long as you line them up correctly, you can drop this pin in, just like that. Now that's set. I just have to put the other side on and drift that roll pin. Don't ask me why, but those pins are ridiculously hard to push in. The fit between the roll pin and the actual steel of this part is real tight. I even smarted up with just brass, having to hit it so hard, but it works.